Imagine hiking in a beautiful canyon when suddenly you hear a roar. It's a flash flood. First, don't panic. Look for higher ground immediately. Move to higher ground as fast as you can, but avoid running through the flood water, right? It's stronger than it looks. If you're trapped and can't reach higher ground, grab onto something sturdy like a tree or a rock. Stay put until the water recedes. Remember, never try to outrun the floodwater. Prioritize getting to safety and wait it out. Finally, always check weather forecasts before your hike. Being prepared is the best defense. Stay safe out there, folks.